The new administration's choice for CDC director opposed the reconstituted Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices, ACIP, leading to her ouster. The prior administration reconstituted the same committee after facing resistance to universal COVID-19 boosters in 2021. Please see the video at the link above. We will view 3 clips from the prior committee for the viewer to assess whether a change was necessary to restore public trust. The 3 clips are taken from meetings of the former Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices, ACIP. Pregnant patients were excluded from the Pfizer trials. The first clip illustrates the basis used by the committee to still recommend the COVID-19 vaccine for this untested group, along with a relevant investigative article.
I agree with the comments of many of my colleagues on the call about the importance of vaccination. The one thing I did want to emphasize is that the BLA is inclusive of pregnant women. And as we know, the ACOG, SMFM, and CDC have really strengthened the recommendations around vaccination of pregnant individuals because of the severity of disease that we're seeing.
The second clip addresses the low level of public trust in the committee and its efforts to correct that, as well as the results 4 years later.
I think this is an opportunity for us in that we know that only 10 to 15% of pregnant women are actually vaccinated. So we have a long ways to go. We've talked a lot about disparities. I actually think that pregnant women should be included in that mix, and we really need to think about how to strengthen our vaccination rates in the pregnant population.
The last committee clip illustrates how the committee handled vaccine recommendations when there was no data and no other country was implementing such an unsupported policy. Adjuvants are mentioned and defined here.
Dr. Walter?
Yes, with the number of adjuvanted vaccines now available, including flu vaccine and Shingrix, is there any comment on using this vaccine at the same time with other adjuvanted vaccines?
We have no data to make a recommendation one way or the other.
So just to sort of put this in context of other vaccines, whilst preclinical studies were not done using these vaccines simultaneously, our general approach to immunizations is that they can be given at the same time in different limbs.
Dr. Hunter?
Are multiple adjuvanted vaccines used in Europe or other markets?
Dr. Ward, do you want to comment?
Not to my knowledge.
Dr. Monarez was appointed to implement the administrative policy. When it was learned that she would not, she was asked to resign by HHS Secretary RFK Jr. due to insubordination and refusal to follow new vaccine policies. The ACIP committee is again at the center of controversy. Historically, only once has a CDC director not supported the ACIP, making Monarez the second in history to do so.